As you see right there, everything's all where it's supposed to be. Engine,
Take it
transmission,
for a drive.
pretty much see. Yeah. Need cosmetics, few little things. Bumper, caster, He used a coil packer too, Hey, fixer upper.